Sobra naman.
Welcome back! Daniel, ang galing-galing mo. May hangover kami sa'yo. At alam mo ba, marami talagang talented dito sa Pilipinas. Napapansin mo, Bes? Ang dami ng mga Pilipino ngayon ang sumisikat, no? International.
Correct.
Of course, si Charis.
Si Charis, si Arnel Pineda.
Si Bruno Mars, hindi ba?
Si Apple the App.
Oo. Grabe.
Iba na talaga mga... May isa pang Pinoy na pumasok sa Glee, Bes, eh.
Oo nga,
Half
meron.
Pinoy na gwapo, eh.
Oo, talaga.
Basta, we're
Kaya
everywhere.
Sa tingin ko, talagang hindi matatapos yung pagdi-discover natin ng mga talented ng mga Pinoy. Dito man o international. Kaya dito na natin simulan. Tulad
Ito
nitong
na lang.
isa nating na-site. Diyan sa tabi-tabi lang, oh.
Biro mo yan? Sa
Oo.
tabi-tabi lang yan. Sa may kanto lang.
Oo, sino ba to?
Ito siya. Ladies and gentlemen, Gary Cruz.
Introducing!
Nakita lang sa tabi. Nilagyan na ng konting foundation. Larga na. Halika.
Paandar.
Talaga.
Did it come there for crying? Did it come there to break down? It's just a dream of mine that's coming to an end. Oh, how can I blame you when I build my world around that hope that one day we've been so much more than friends? No, I don't want to know the price I'm gonna pay for dreaming. Now that your dream has come true, tell me how am I supposed to live without you? Now that I've been loving you so wrong, how am I supposed to live without you? And how am I supposed to carry on when all that I've been living for is I'm gonna pay for dreaming. Now that your dream has come true, tell me how am I supposed to live without you? Now that I've been loving you so long, how am I supposed to live without you? Oh, and how am I supposed to carry on when all that I've been living for is gone?
Galing ni Gary.
Diyos ko, Gary.
Ganun mo, Bes, ha?
Ano ba
Anong
yun?
maharakat mo talaga sa buhay, Gary?
Before I do vocal coachings.
Galing.
Tapos sometimes kumakanta rin sa mga naimbitahan sa mga fiestas,
Talaga?
sa mga corporate events yan. So kinakarir ko na rin kahit pa paano.
Sige. Thank you very much, Gary.
Thank you
and good luck
for
to you.
giving me this
Thank you.
opportunity. Thank you. Thank you, Comedy Bar.
Thank you.